I've seen some scary stuff on TikTok, but this girl's mimic experience is terrifying.
I swear there's someone outside my room. Wait.
And you thought that was creepy. Well, in an update, this poster says that it didn't stop there. In fact, since she filmed that last video, she's heard somebody sneezing repeatedly in her home, as well as what sounded like a man grumbling.
Literally something going from my living room. I didn't find anyone. Like, there was nobody there.
Some people think she is a frogger, aka somebody literally living in her walls, while others are convinced that this is a mimic experience. And this poster seems to think it's paranormal.